Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download HAProxy for load balancing across VPS instances step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official HAProxy website by typing in HAProxy.org. Once the page loads, locate the Downloads section. Choose the latest stable version of HAProxy available. Click on the link to the version you wish to download. You will be redirected to a page listing different distribution options. Select the appropriate package for your operating system. If you are using Ubuntu, you may choose the apt package. Open a terminal window on your VPS instance. Update your package list by typing in the command sudo apt update. Install HAProxy by entering sudo apt install HAProxy. Wait for the installation to complete. To check the installation, type HAProxy v. This command will display the installed version of HAProxy. Next, open the HAProxy configuration file by typing sudo nano /etc/haproxy/haproxy.cfg. In this file, configure your frontends and backends according to your load balancing requirements. After making your changes, save the file and exit the text editor. To enable HAProxy to start on boot, use the command sudo systemctl enable HAProxy. Now, start the HAProxy service by entering sudo systemctl start HAProxy. To verify that HAProxy is running properly, type sudo systemctl status HAProxy. You should see an indication that the service is active and running. If everything is set up correctly, you are now ready to use HAProxy for load balancing across your VPS instances. You can test your configuration by sending requests to the HAProxy IP address. Monitor the performance and adjust settings as necessary to optimize load balancing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.